Okay, boat anchor CB radio repair with another repaired radio. It didn't really need to be repaired too much. It all worked. Had to clean it up. It's got a couple little marks right here on the bezel and one underneath right here. Yeah, little scratch. Other than that, the radio works perfectly, and you'll see here in a second. Okay, so I had to replace the bulb, original. I had to put a new clock gear in it. Clock works now. I sprayed everything. Channel selector's good. Everything's clock works. Alarm, everything works. So here we go. Okay, I also put a strip LED right here under the lid to light the clock. And I put a 150 ohm resistor on the lights to dim it down because they were too bright. I don't like that. Just bright enough to show the clock. That's all it's needed. Okay, here's the power. I'm using this mic. I had to open it up and clean everything. Well, we'll start it off in center. Audio 1 2 3. 1 2 normal talking. Audio 1 2 3. Audio. That's about 13 watts. A little over 4, swinging to about 13 audio. Okay. Audio, audio, audio. 1 2 3. And as you can see, the on-air light works. Okay, so now for the extra channels that were in the radio to begin with. Somebody put extra channels in it, so we'll see where they are. Okay, so we go to channel 1, key up. Right here on the first selection, right here. Turn it all the way to the first selection. Channel 36, 365 on channel 1. Okay, let's see if I can do this at the same time I turn the channel. Okay, channel 1, 7, 38, 40, 41, 42, 3, 4. God damn it, I can't see. Okay. Of course, yes, this is not a sideband radio, it's a Dwight D. It does have upper channels. 61, 62, 65, 63, 4, 66. Okay. Alright, so now we try the middle selection. It's normal, I believe. Yep, 27. Okay. Channel 6. Alright. .925. Okay. It starts on channel 2, I believe. Yeah. Okay. Let me get this thing up here so we can see it. Alright. Okay, channel 2, 26,875. And I believe it goes up to okay, Okay, one channel below one. Turn the mic gain down so it'll lock. 955, channel 8. Okay, so 2 through 8 is lowers on the last selection on the right side. And yeah, channel 30. PLL. It's an 858 radio. It does have lowers. Okay, back to the center selection. Okay, so that's the channelized Dwight D with 858. New light there. Let's check out the alarm. Okay, the alarm. Yep. Okay, sleep. Okay. It does have the sleep mode. Okay, off and on. Okay, so that part of it works. Yeah, channel 6. Mic gain full blast. Audio 1 2 3. Audio. Testing 1 2 3. And that's it halfway. Let's take this down all the way. Okay, it isn't. There we go. Turn it up just a hair. Audio. Full blast. That's how badass these Road Devils are. There's probably either between the D104 handheld and this. I prefer the D104 handheld, but these things are pretty loud. In fact, they might be in between the D104 handheld and the Echo Max in loudness, because the Echo Max is the loudest, I believe, the loudest mic ever produced by mankind. Okay, so there's a Dwight D. I'm going to put it on eBay. And if anybody's interested, let me know. Boat Anchor CB radio repair and restoration is break.